Ford Asset Program is more than just an educational initiative. It really is a model for how Pima Community College can and must work alongside business and industry partners to meet the growing demands of today's workforce in our community.
My first call on the job as dean was to Daryl, because our program 10 years ago was not in a good place, and we were really happy with your commitment, Mr. Click, with your commitment to help see us through a lot of changes that we need to make. And so when we look around at this place tonight, when we really look at the students and Ford Asset and Shane and Chris and the team, I just want to thank you personally for sticking by us and making this happen.
The career goal for these students is to become a master technician, which can typically take between 5 to 10 years to achieve. But by attending this premier program, in less than 24 months, they earn an associate degree in Automotive Technology and Applied Science. We expect 21 to 24 graduating completers with associate degrees coming out of this program. What an accomplishment, okay? Without question, the absolute most important quality you can possess throughout your entire life is integrity. Remember, the mark of a great person is not found in their past, but how they overcome adversity today and they build their future. Mr. Click has been my lifelong mentor since 1974. And at this time, it is my honor to invite him up to share his thoughts.
I just want you to tell you how we build a great company, how you build a great university, and how you build a great community. It's all people. We were lucky to have Daryl Keppel join our company. This program wouldn't be here today without his leadership. J-Ted wouldn't be in this community today without his leadership. So he was always cared about our teammates, your new technicians. He cared about you. I care about you. Your mom and dads care about you. This community cares about you. We're depending upon you. I like it, Jeff, when you read today, Wall Street Journal even talked about it. Kids today need a skill. They go to college, they borrow all this damn money, okay? And then they graduate and say, oh, what am I gonna do? Okay? You're not gonna be that. You're gonna go here for 2 more years. And when you graduate, you're gonna have a skill, don't go do this, that you can take anywhere in the United States of America for the rest of your life and get a job and support your family and buy a car from us. Okay? And you can buy a home. I have seen it, haven't we, dear? We've seen it over, haven't we, Mary? Over and over and over. College, if you go to every class, show up on time, sit in the front row, pay attention. Honor tell the truth, honor your family with your best performance. You're going to set the world on fire. We're going to look at them. Guys, ladies, we need you right now. We need great technicians. You service managers, raise your hand back there. Thanks, guys. Let me tell you something. These guys work their tails off for our company. I love all of you. I love this town. It's been so good to be here for this. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the meeting. I'm going to go find my wife. Okay?